How to fix Telegram not sending verification code. Hello everyone, I am Shaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix Telegram not sending verification code. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here scroll down and find the Telegram application and tap on it. Now, tap on the offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. Doing this will also free up storage used by the app and will further fix the bugs in the application. See if the issue is fixed or not. If the app is still not fixed, try to delete the app and reinstall the app again. To delete, go to your home screen and tap hold on the Telegram application. You will see the remove app option. Tap on that and then tap on the delete app option. In the pop-up that appears, tap on delete again and then go ahead and open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Telegram there and reinstall the application again, and your Telegram should be working just fine by now. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and to subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.